Good morning students. Now let's take exercise 6.1. I request you to open your textbooks. First main you see, in angle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. Now here they have given you diagram here, PQR, and from P they have taken one midpoint, that is D is the midpoint of Q and R. Here they have given PM is dash, PD is dash. Now here we have already seen altitudes and median of a triangle. Now here they have given PQR triangle, and from P one line P to D, that is the midpoint. Midpoint means what? That is nothing but it is a median. So now here they are asking from P another line is bisecting and it is coming here. Then from here to M. So they are asking this PM is what? So here PM is, here I have already told you the height of this triangle will be altitude. So here PM is altitude. So first to fill in the blank is PM is altitude. Now second one you see PD. What is PD here? Already I have told you. It is a midpoint means what? It is a median. So here in the textbook itself you can write it as PM is altitude. First blank PM is altitude. Second one is PD is median of a triangle. It is a median. So now here they are asking is QM is equal to MR. They are asking here QM is equal to MR. Now we have to give an answer. Is it equal? No. Because why? Here you see gap QM is this much and MR is this. It is not equal. Why it is not equal? Here I will show you. Exercise 6.1. First one. PM is altitude. Then PD is median. Here now they are asking is QM is equal to MR. It is no. Why? QM is not equal to MR because D is the midpoint. Therefore, QD is equal to DR. I think you understood students here. D is the midpoint. So, QD is equal to DR but not QM is equal to MR. So this is first main. Now second main you see, draw rough sketches for the following. Now first they are asking us to draw the sketches and asking in triangle ABC, B is a median. Now let's take first one. Second main. First one. In triangle ABC, B is a median. I have already told you what is the altitude median. Median is median altitude. Now I am taking rough sketch here. Students, you can draw with the scale neatly. So I am just taking here. This is a triangle A, B, C. Now here median means what? Nothing but it is a midpoint. Now from B I have to take a line segment. So before that for A and C you have to take a midpoint. I am taking here midpoint A and C. So you can just draw a line here. So this becomes E. So now BE is a median. BE is a median. Now suppose I am taking another triangle here. I am just changing here. Here I keep A, here I keep B, here I keep C. Now from here I want to take median. Yeah. So now here from A to C I take midpoint and there you just draw. So this is E. So here I got BE, that is the median. So you can take in any way. Now second one you see here, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of a triangle. I have explained to you altitudes also. Now just we will draw this one. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. Now let's draw this one. Now I am going to take one triangle here. Just I will show you. You have to draw with the help of a scale. Now suppose I am taking here P, Q, R. Yeah. Altitudes means what? We have to see the height. So now here we get 90 degree. See now, altitude means what? Height of a triangle. Now when I take this one, you see here, this one is one triangle and this is one. What they are asking here in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitudes of a triangle. So this one we can draw it as, now suppose one diagram. Here I have taken this one, because this is 90 degree. So now here I have taken R, here I have taken P, here I have taken Q. So this is 90 degree. So now PQ and PR are altitudes of triangle. Now suppose you have taken R, P, Q. It is 90 degree. This is height of a triangle. This is called altitude. Suppose if you take like this also, P and Q. This is the height of a triangle. So in both ways you get. So this is P, Q, R. PQ and PR are altitudes of triangle. This is the second problem B. Now let's take C. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Now suppose exterior of the triangle. Now here again I am taking one more triangle. I am just drawing without scale, but you have to draw with help of a scale. Now here I have taken X, Y and Z. Altitude means what? It is a height of a triangle. So now here I will get, this is height of a triangle. Now what they are asking, this is interior. This is interior altitude. Now they are asking exterior altitude in the exterior of a triangle. Now how can we draw that one? Now here I have showed you interior one. This is one triangle and this one. Now interior I have shown. Now exterior we have to draw. So now what we can do is, you take a line here, then you just draw here. This more or less becomes like obtuse angle. Now here I am taking here X, Y and Z. See, Now from here like obtuse angle you take, this is not this is becomes right angle, this one you don't take, you just take like obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means like this it will be. So you just draw x, y, z. So exteriorly they are asking to show. So from here I am just taking exterior, then here just take, then this is 90 degree here, then this we can maintain it L. So this is the exterior altitude. Now here what I have shown is interior altitude, but now when we take exterior means I just took as, we can take it as obtuse angle when we take above 180, then here from x we can take it as this, and this is the height of a altitude of a exterior of a triangle. So here XL is the altitude, from YL also if you take, this is the height. So here XL is the altitude of a in the exterior of a triangle. So this is second one. Third one you see, verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. Now third one, first we have to draw isosceles triangle. I have told you what is isosceles triangle. Two sides of a triangle will be equal and one side will not be equal. So now suppose I am taking here one triangle, isosceles triangle A, B, C. Now suppose I am taking here median. See here, this will be 90 degree means, now here this side and this side should be equal. Yeah, here we will take it as L. So now here BL is equal to LC. This both should be equal. Then it is isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides will be equal. So now BL is equal to LC. When we do BL is equal to LC only, it is isosceles triangle. So it should be same. So now means now what they are asking here, if the median and altitude of isosceles triangle can be the same. Now here you see, altitude means what? It is the height of a triangle. Median means what? Median also same, because midpoint A is taking C. Now from BC, A is taking midpoint here. This also is same here. Midpoint also will be same here. Altitude also is same. So we can tell that BL is equal to LC. So we have drawn a diagram. Median is same and altitude of isosceles triangle also will be same. So for third problem, this is the diagram. So with this we have finished exercise 6.1. In the next class we can discuss exterior angle of a triangle. So thank you students.